Welcome to the FactoryHelp channel. Clamp cylinders, pneumatic. Available in 4 bore sizes: 25 millimeters, 32 millimeters, 40 millimeters, and 50 millimeters. Clamping arm arcs up and out of the way for clamping in tight spaces. Up to 25% more clamping force than comparably sized swing clamps. Consistent clamping force over a range of part thickness. Up to 3.8 millimeters of variation. Lever arm can be positioned left, forward, or right. Multiple mounting possibilities with one body. Upper flange mount. Threaded body mount. Confidence comes from knowledge. Learn with us, become an expert in industrial solutions.